Happy holidays, everyone! Got another video for you. Check it out. Well, you still make sure to check it out. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dozenator's Lifestyle. Pretty much in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the last 2 boxes of the year, and plus going to be unboxing the last 2 boxes of DRONEDROP because I had to cut it. So, and I really didn't want to cut it, but I kind of had to. But hopefully I can get back into it in the near future. But I'm gonna go ahead and get right on into this. So here we go. All right, here's a DRONEDROP from the one that I was supposed to get. This is for October, and the mail guy pretty much went to go drop it off, and I had to go pick it up because he didn't drop it off for me. So yeah, this one was a little late. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one first. Bum ba ba bum. Here we go. Get out the handy dandy. Knife. All right. Here we go. Whoop, whoop. First one. This one was for October. Yeah, October. Alright, here we go. You ready for this? Premium parts. DRONEDROP. Here we go. Oh, and the first thing we open is Juicy Approved. Oh wow, look at those props. Of course you get 3 props. Oh, look at the lanyard. Epic lanyard. Ooh, that's a epic for your transmitter. What else do we get in here? Flight controller. Ooh. Beta flight configured OSD barometer. It does telemetry. Ooh, it does all that. That's some cool stuff. Now you see why I kind of didn't want to get rid of it, but I kind of had to. Now what the heck is this? A solder puller? Looks like super glue or something else. And of course, you get another GoPro strap, battery strap. And yes, we get a whole bunch of stickers. Yay! Stickers! I gotta glare really bad. There we go. Stickers! Black Sheep, of course. Team Black Sheep Squad. Alright, that's in the first box. God, man, this is the reason why I so didn't want to get rid of them. That's in the first box. Now, put that aside, and we're gonna open up the next one. This is for November's box. So pretty much this is gonna be the last one of 2019. And gonna be the last one that I open for a while. So let's make this one a good one. I hope it's a good one. Premium parts, make it a good one. Make it a good one. Here we go. Alright, first off, wow. These are all the stickers. This is the second box. Wow, that's just the stickers. Yeah, that's just the stickers. Now here we go with uh-oh, we got more props. And it looks like we got tweezers too. Oh yeah, we got different kinds of tweezers in this box. Ooh. Professional tool. Tweezers. And of course we get these tweezers. Oh look, we got 3 sets of tweezers. Wow! 3 sets of tweezers. Wow. Okay. That is pretty darn cool. And of course we get the free props. God, man, I did not want to get rid of these guys, but I kind of had to, and I didn't want to. I really didn't want to. Oh, look, a frame. Oh, man, this one looks like the one that I lost. Same frame. Wow. Yeah, this looks like the same frame that I lost. The drone gods were talking to me. They're saying, you need another frame. You need another frame. And guess what? Last box, I got my frame that I was missing. But yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Thank you, DRONEDROP. It's too bad I had to kill this. Yeah, hopefully I can get back with this in DRONEDROP, because I'm really gonna miss all the boxes and stuff. But something came up and I kind of had to cancel my subscription. But hopefully I can get back with them in the near future. So hopefully DRONEDROP unboxing will be back in the future. So until my next video, I hope to see you soon. I'll talk to you later. Peace out. Outro. Whoa! Funny moments. Oh! Ooh. Ooh. DRONEDROP. Gotta check them out. Gotta go check them out. Check it out. Oh yeah.